Hi friends, how are you today? May this day will be a blessing to you. May God bless you and will give you good health and will grant you the desires of your heart according to His will. And I want to share you today the verse from the Bible that can be found in 1 Corinthians 10:31. It says here, therefore, whether you eat or drink, and whatever you do it all to the glory of God. Do we have the desires in our heart to glorify our God, our Maker? Then, Apostle Paul says that in all things, whatever we do, whether we eat or we drink or whatever things we are doing, do it all to the glory of God. And let me ask you today, what is your favorite food? Most especially during the time you cook food in your kitchen. What are those things in your kitchens that you are cooking? Is it that the food you are cooking are all healthy and will give you a happy and good health? Sometimes, friends, we are not eating healthy so that we will not die. No. We are making our food, our kitchen, all those things, and they're healthy because we want to improve the quality of our life so that we can serve the Lord, we can serve others also. And there are so many things in our kitchens. We call it, some of them, the silent killer. What are the silent killers in our kitchens? We have salt there, of course. Very important things in our cooking. And soy sauce, vinegar, some more. What other things in your kitchen that will make your food very savory? And well, sometimes a savor of the food doesn't mean that you are doing or making healthy foods. But healthy foods is one that your body needs, not only your tongue is enjoying, but your body, the internal organs, will functions very good if you are eating some foods. But today, many people enjoy eating salt. Most especially here in our place, people enjoyed of eating dried fish, salted fish, salted egg, or salted vegetables, salted fruits, or we can say about pickles, vinegar and salt. All these things, and most especially the salt, is very nice, but it is a silent killer also. We cannot survive without salt, but we cannot survive also if we have too much salt in the body. Same thing is in our spiritual life. We cannot survive without God in our lives, and God is the one who can give us what we need, what we are hope for, especially on this time of trials. People are very worried, not only for their daily survival, but for their health also. And this thing, salt in our kitchen, even without bacteria, even without these viruses, but still, if we cannot control ourselves, if there is no temperance in ourselves, these salts will become a silent killer. Do you take many salts? Do you love salts? Do you like? I remember when we are little kids, the favorite viands in the house is salt and oil. To mix it with rice, then and some of the elder people, after eating, we found out that their legs are getting bigger. When we are child, we thought that it is good because their legs are getting better. But In fact, it is an edema. Because too much salt in the body holds water, and it will give a hard time to your kidneys to dispatch the waste material of your kidney, because the salt manipulate the water inside and do not allow the water to be spilled out from your body if there is too much salt in your body. So be careful of what you are putting in your food in your kitchen. Maybe some foods that you believe that it is good and nice to the tongue, but it is nice to your heart. Too much salt in the body also. What is this? It will coagulate the fats, and it will harden the fats in your blood vessels, and it can cause a rising of blood pressure called hypertension. And how many salts do we need in our body? Actually, we need only at least 1 tablespoon at the maximum of 1 tablespoon, and 1/4 is a maximum amount that the body can manage it. And sometimes if you forget that you add more salts already in your body, you have to add more water also. You have to take or drink more water in your body so that these salts will be neutralized in your body. And friends, sometimes if you love to eat salty foods, or if you love to eat a lot of foods, you do not realize that there's already a lot of salts in your body, and it will make your body sick because of that salt. But regular amounts of salt can keep your body good. But whenever you are experiencing this problem, hypertension, edema because of too much salt, or some are experiencing rheumatism because of this too much use of salt, I can recommend you some prevention and some things that will help your body drive out the salts from your body. Upon wake up in the morning, you have at least must drink 2 to 4 glasses of warm water, so that the body will awaken, and then your kidneys will activate, and then your heart also will be ready for the activity that you are about to perform. And that is a first protocol upon wake up in the morning, in order to neutralize, to dispose some of the over amounts of salts in the body. Then after taking a warm water, make some exercise, at least 30 minutes to 45 minutes of brisk walking, or jogging, or stretching. But the perfect of all the exercise I can recommend you, if you have these conditions, is swimming. I love swimming every morning. I love swimming, and it will keep your body active. Because if the sodium in your body is too much, the functions of the nerve will be affected, and the functions of the kidneys and the urinary bladder will be affected because of too much sodium in the body. So God also teaches us that we should practice temperance in our body, and we should be very careful of doing our cooking, most especially whatever we put in our mouth. We must check it that it will be good for our body, because according to Apostle John, he said that he is praying for us that we will be healthy, not only in our physical but also in our spirit. So depends on how we manage our health. The same thing, we manage the things and this health that God has given us, in order to please the Lord, in order to glorify the Lord. We have to obey, and we have to follow His instruction. Do all things in His glory, most especially the food we eat, and also the things in our kitchen. We have to keep our kitchen not only beautiful but healthy. God bless.